Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel English. If you want to learn English in a simple and natural way, you are in the right place. Here we learn English from real life, not from heavy grammar books. Today is day 9, and today's idioms are again new, useful, and daily use. Listen, imagine the situation, and feel the examples. Now let's start today's idioms. Idiom 1. Take a shot at it. Explain. This idiom means to try something. Example, he didn't know the answer. Still, he took a shot at it. Idiom 2, in full swing. Explain. This idiom means something is active and running fast. Example, the party was in full swing. Idiom 3, second nature. Explain. This idiom means something becomes natural or easy. Example, for him, driving is second nature. Idiom for keep tabs on. Explain. This idiom means to monitor or track. Example, she keeps tabs on her expenses. Idiom 5, on board. Explain. This idiom means to agree or join. Example, the team liked the idea. They were on board. Idiom 6, fall for it. Explain. This idiom means to believe something easily. Example, he made a joke. She fell for it. Idiom 7, touch base. Explain. This idiom means to connect briefly. Example, he said they'll touch base tomorrow. Idiom 8, get cracking. Explain. This idiom means to start working fast. Example, deadline was close. They got cracking. Idiom 9, show up. Explain. This idiom means to appear or arrive. Example, he invited everyone. Only few showed up. Idiom 10, get straight to the point. Explain. This idiom means to avoid extra talk. Example, he was busy. He got straight to the point. Idiom 11, on the bright side. Explain. This idiom means to look at the positive part. Example, they lost the game. On the bright side, they learn it a lot. Idiom 12, not a big deal. Explain. This idiom means not important or not serious. Example, he made a small mistake. It was not a big deal. Idiom 13, makes sense. Explain. This idiom means something is logical. Example, his plan finally made sense. Idiom 14, in the spotlight. Explain. This idiom means to get attention. Example, after the performance, she was in the spotlight. Idiom 15, take off. Explain. This idiom means to become successful fast. Example, his business took off quickly. If you like today's idioms, don't just learn them, use them in your real conversations. Because when you use English, confidence grows. And when confidence grows, English becomes easy. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to English. Tomorrow again, new English, simple English, real English. Learn daily, practice daily, and speak without fear.